How to link YouTube account to Discord. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to link YouTube account to Discord. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your web browser on your device and search for discord.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Click open Discord at top right and make sure to log into your account. Once you land on the section, click on the user settings icon at bottom left corner of the screen. From this section, you need to click on connections option. Click on this view more arrow at top right corner and search for YouTube. Open it and make sure to log into your YouTube account. Now you simply need to select what Discord can access and check mark the option. Click the continue button and wait for it to connect your YouTube account to Discord. You can close this window and go back to Discord. And you can see that we have successfully added our YouTube account or connected our YouTube account to Discord. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.